Hey guys! So in this video I'm here to tell you my periodic test results. I know you guys were very curious about it and thank you so much for 50 subscribers by the way. So let's start with the main subject which is accountancy. So yeah, accountancy थोड़ा सा difficult था मेरे लिए इस बार and wait till the end because I'm gonna tell you guys my mistakes too. So in accountancy I got a 20 on 40. Yeah, it was a bit challenging subject for me. I'll make sure that I get a good score in my half yearlies. Now let's start with my mistakes. So let's first see mistakes in accountancy. So in accountancy, I got 20 on 40, you already know that. So in accounts, my major mistake was doing no question practice. So really I did very less question practice and that's why in the 6 marker question of ledger I got only 3 marks. Next mistake is ignored some topics. So I ignored very minute topics. I know minute topics do not come in exams, but our sir gave us minute topics, and that's why I was not ready with the topic T-shaped account. I was like, it's a new thing, but it was not. It was in the chapter accounting equations only. Next is didn't revise properly. So I didn't revise many things. Like मैंने accounting equation जो हमारा chapter था उसे मैंने बहुत ही इग्नोर किया था and that's why on the exam day I forgot the format of accounting equation. Next is economics. So in economics also I got a 20 on 30. These two subjects are my worst scoring subjects. Like yeah. Economics. So economics is my least favorite subject, you already know. So in economics I didn't read the diagrams. Yeah. So reading diagrams is also an important part of इकोनॉमिक्स बिकॉज उसमें ग्राफ्स बहुत आते हैं एंड हमें 2 पिक्चर बेस्ड ग्राफ्स आए थे जो कि मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर पाई थी एंड दैट्स वाई माई मेन मिस्टेक वॉज नॉट रीडिंग द डायग्राम्स. नेक्स्ट took it very lightly. So I took economics very lightly and talking about micro का part जिसमें सिर्फ 3 चैप्टर आ रहे थे. I didn't study at all the third chapter which was consumer equilibrium and उसमें से 6 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आ गया था and I was very nervous. You guys must make sure that you don't leave any topics. Now comes my favorite, English. So in English, I got a 36 on 40, which is my best score. Yeah. So मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा इसी में ही आया है English में, which is 36 on 40. Next is business studies. So in business studies, I got a 30 on 40, which is not very good, but it's average. Now talking about business studies. So in business studies, I got 30, and I could have got more than 35 I guess, but I did very silly mistakes like I didn't do MCQ practice at all and out of 10 I got 5 MCQs wrong and it was my major mistake. Next is not reading the NCERT. I was able to solve the case studies very thoroughly because I did case studies through that half yearly marathon जो नेक्स्ट टॉपर्स कॉमर्स के चैनल पर चल रही है, उससे मैंने किया था एंड इसलिए मुझे केस स्टडीज़ अच्छे से बन गई थी. बट और क्वेश्चन आया था 1 मार्कर, तो उसमें कोई कंपनी आइडेंटिफाई करनी थी जो कि मैं नहीं कर पाई थी एंड दैट्स वाई आई गॉट 10 मार्क्स डिडक्टेड. इंफॉर्मेशन प्रैक्टिसेस IP जो कि मेरा ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट, ऑप्शनल तो नहीं, हाँ ऑप्शनल बिकॉज IP एंड हिंदी इज़ ऑप्शन. सो इन IP I got a 33 on 40 which is an okay score. Is physical education. In physical education also I got 33 on 40. So overall I am not that satisfied with my score, but I'll try my best in my half yearlies. Also giving you an update that my half yearlies are starting from 8th of October. हमारे स्कूल में थोड़ा लेट सिलेबस चालू हुआ था. लाइक हमारे स्कूल जुलाई से ओपन होते हैं तो इसी वजह से छुट्टियां मिलेंगी अभी नवरात्रि की, एंड नवरात्रि के बाद हमारे स्ट्रेट 8 अक्टूबर से पेपर स्टार्ट होंगे विच इज़ गोना बी वेरी हेक्टिक फॉर मी, बट आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू प्रोवाइड you guys some good content as well. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.